Shell is not just any upgrade. I would like to call it a quantum leap for the Witblox community. It literally took a much longer time than expected to design this shell. And this time, we not only designed the shell, but also carried out heavy testings. Take a look. So now let's take this to some Witblox makers and hear them out.
Hello all, I am Neel Mehta and I am 13 years old and I live in Mumbai. I am the part of the Witblox community from past 6 years.
Hi, my name is Parina. I am 10 years old. I live in Mulund, Mumbai. I am a part of Witblox community.
I have been testing these shells for some time and now I like them a lot. I think they make the blocks tougher now. It's hard plastic like a good hard casing, which means the blocks are safer now. I also like the color of the shell. I have noticed that it's backward compatible as well, which means I can attach them to my old blocks as well, which is really very good. It's quite easy to mount as well. Just place the blocks on the shell and just push it and you will hear a tactile sound, which will confirm that the shell is now holding the blocks. I can see a small hole on the top, which means we can now easily hang it. The shell will now give strength and make the projects more stable and sturdy.
I like the color of the shell and it is very good. It is very easy to attach the shell with the blocks. There is a hole in the shell and I can hang it everywhere. I really like the idea of Witblox Shell.
Now, let me take you through some features that we have integrated into the shell. Our first and foremost priority is safety. The hard covering will take care of that. You can now arrange the blocks in a much better way, both in horizontal and in vertical. With the shell on the blocks, the mechanical strength has increased many folds. And the fourth point, remember the pins would bend sometimes while plugging in two blocks? With the new shell, that won't happen again. Mounting the blocks onto the shell is very easy. You will hear a click sound when mounted successfully. The magnetic tape on the back of the shell will also be available as an attachment for better and safer use. The shell makes the blocks look cooler. Like now, you can hang it anywhere for all your project building. Here comes the last and most exciting part. The Witblox shell is backward compatible, which means it will fit onto your existing blocks. And that's all about the shell. You can now order as many shells as you want from the Witblox website or from the shop within the Witblox app. Time to build some great projects using the Witblox shell.